you guys? So today we are back again with another video, and I am unboxing a couple of long lost Makartt packages. I am so sorry to be so late, you guys, but this is the Queenland of Hearts Decor along with the All Nighter Gel Polish collection. In this video, I will be opening the bottles to show you guys the gel polishes straight out of the bottle, but I will not be swatching until another video. Here's the Queenlands of Heart Decor by Makartt, and it comes with 3 sticker sheets, which I thought were super cool. They were all very different. I didn't really like the second sheet very much, but that sheet and the first sheet I loved, and then those are all of them. They come with those cute little hearts, and then the big one, the female hearts, and then some glitters, and I believe those are red hearts in there too. I'm gonna be using all of those on a future set, and this unboxing is pretty quick, so never mind the speed. I just want to show you guys all the stuff that I got. Here we have these beautiful gel polishes. They come with a cute little how-to, which is super simple, straight to the point. And look at the colors. They're all so beautiful. First up, we have 𝐤𝐬𝐬𝐬, which is a white. And these are actually AwsmColor gel polishes. I know I said by Makartt, but Makartt is a sister. I'm sorry, Awesome brand is a sister. Awesome is a sister brand to Makartt. So, and by the way, AwsmColor has multiple white gel polishes. I know one of them is also called Success, but they're both white. Next, we have Disco, which is such a beautiful color. I still have not made my mind up about what to do with that color as far as like really using it on a set. We have Blue Teeny, which was what really got me to purchase this set. I was disappointed because I thought Blue Teeny had, you can see me looking at it super close. I thought Blue Teeny had a little iridescent shimmer, but it's straight solid polish, but it's still beautiful. And then we have Cosmopolitan, which is a super pretty iridescent purple color, which I thought that this is how the Blue Teeny was gonna look. Either way, I love them both. And then next we have Glamour, which is a greenish grayish. It's pretty much a gray with a stronger lean towards a green color, but when it cures and sets, it pretty much looks more gray than green. And last but not least, we have Diva, which she is such a cutie. Okay, Diva, I see you. I actually love this color. A little insight for you guys, I used these colors on a set, and I originally wanted to use Glamour, Cosmopolitan, and Diva, the purple, gray, and pink. But yeah, it was an epic fail. So I ended up using Disco, Blue Teeny, and Cosmopolitan, which was super cool. Next, we have the Messy in Love, the True Queen, and the Girl Boss collections, all by AwsmColor. I did get the Starry Glitter, Starry Glossy Glitter Gel Polish set. I think that's what it's called, something along those lines. But I love this set, and I actually did not even know that I ordered it. It's so to die for. It's a must-have in your collection. If you don't have it, please do invest into it. I can't imagine that you wouldn't find any uses for it. It's such a vibe, and the color selection is so nice. Like this yellow, I swear it's so beautiful. I have so many ideas when it comes to these colors, and I did not know that I even had this. Like, I saw Emily Susanna using it in her video one time, and I was gonna go and order it, and then randomly one day I was like, okay, Samantha, open this box already. Like, you haven't unboxed it. And I saw these and I was so pumped up. So yeah, I'm just gonna show you guys these. I haven't even swatched them out yet in real life. I have a swatching video coming for you guys soon. I'm gonna be swatching all of these collections. I'm not sure if I should do it all in one video or if I should break it up. I guess it depends. Look at the pink one. I used this pink in a set that you guys have seen already. There was the pink jelly skull set that I created for my friend, and those were beautiful. And then we have this purple, which wow, just wow. I mean, literally, just wow. Next up, we are going to be looking at the Girl Boss collection by AwsmColor, which this color palette, all of these color palettes, like one thing I want to compliment AwsmColor on is the color selection. Not only the color selection, but the palettes that they put together, because they're so 0 to 100, so to speak. And I really appreciate that about these little gel polish collections that they've created. Next, I'm showing you guys, I believe this one's the True Queen collection, and these ones, again, another like home run for me as far as the color palette. And these are a little more fall vibes. As you can see, there is the white there called Success that I mentioned previously, and Bullet is one of my ultimate favorite colors. Look at me, I'm like, hold on, didn't I just unbox? I unboxed the white already. What's going on here? So yes, AwsmColor has multiple different names for their white polish, as we've observed. And then last but not least, we're gonna look at the Messy in Love, and look at them. Look at it. There's like a deep purple, and then a bright red, and then a glittery pink, and then an orange, like, and then the that peachy pinkish color is one of my favorites. And then let's not even get started on this glittery red, which instantly I was thinking like, I'm using this for Christmas. This orange, I was like, okay, so here's some Halloween vibes. Alright you guys, so we're gonna go ahead and swatch out some of my ultimate favorite colors from this collection, well, these collections, and I couldn't resist but to see how I was gonna be able to utilize these on my Halloween nails. And if you guys stay tuned, I am gonna be posting my Halloween set very soon, so stay tuned for that. I don't think the camera picks up on this color fully because it kind of looks like the glitter in the polish is a silver glitter, but it's actually an iridescent, so it does have colors to it. It's super pretty, like super 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 pretty. And yeah, I did use these on my Halloween nails, all these colors that I'm showing you guys right now. Next, we're gonna give it up for Text Me, and Text Me is from the Messy and In Love set that I showed you guys, and I love this polish. I instantly was thinking like Christmas vibes, Halloween blood. I know some people are like, Halloween blood is like this or like that. For me, glittery Halloween blood is like, I'm here for it. So again, I did use these colors on my Halloween set, and yes, I used this color for my blood, which turned out beautiful. What do you guys think of these colors? Like, first off, what did you guys think of all the sets in general? And do you guys have these? I'm sure some of you guys do. on my Makartt Ambassador family. And look, we got Spice, which the opacity of this, the opaqueness rather, not the opacity. Sorry guys, I do photography too and I'm over here opacity. No, the opaqueness of this polish was very impressive. I did use this color on my Halloween nails as well, and I really didn't even need, like I still always do 2 coats, but 1 coat is really generous. If you just apply it evenly, you will get a full coverage, which is amazing. So I hope you guys enjoyed me going ahead and showing you guys all of these colors. I'm gonna be unboxing and swatching again soon. Bye you guys.